Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing two easy methods for taking screenshots on your iPhone. The first method is super simple and quick. All you need to do is click the volume up button and the power or lock button at the exact same time. This will instantly take a screenshot, and you'll see a little thumbnail pop up in the bottom left corner. If you tap on that thumbnail, you can make some alterations. You can edit the screenshot, delete it, or even share the image directly. Once you've made any changes you want, just tap on Done. You'll get a few options, and in this case, I'm going to save the image to my Photos library. Now for the second way of taking a screenshot, we'll use the back tap functionality. To set this up, you'll need to head over to your Settings app. Scroll down until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. From there, look for the touch setting and tap into that. Once you're in the touch settings, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and find Back Tap. Tap into that. Here, you can choose whether you want to use a double back tap or a triple back tap to trigger the screenshot. I'm going to go with the double back tap for this example. Now, you need to select the action you want the back tap to perform. You can choose from a bunch of different actions, but we want to select the screenshot feature. So go ahead and tap on that. Okay, the functionality is now set up. If we go back to the home screen of the iPhone, we can now double tap the back of the phone, and it should take a screenshot. So 1, 2, and there you go. As you can see, the screenshot has been taken. You can just swipe away the thumbnail, and it'll automatically save to your Photos library. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.